Today, we will be testing the buying and selling pressure indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the buying and selling pressure indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 59 different strategies, with 15 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 771 indicators, with 313 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now, you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 18 of the winning indicators. 8 of them have been able to maintain the winning status. The best one, a 76% win rate. Now, keep in mind that we test most of the strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today's indicator is the buying and selling pressure indicator. You can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And so basically what we have is a red line indicating the selling pressure, a green line indicating the buying pressure. And so what we are looking for is when these two lines cross. And they do have kind of a background built into it as well. And so we will that a little bit more clearer there. And so you can see those two lines here, the green line and the red line. And so again, we are looking for the cross of these two lines. So when the red line crosses up above the green line, that is going to be a signal to go short. When we get a green line that crosses up above the red line, that is going to be a signal to go long. And so that's what we're looking for. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. Right, so the first signal that we pick up is a buy signal. It's kind of hard to see, but the green line barely pokes up over that red line right here on this candle. And immediately on the very next candle, it switches back to a short signal. So that long does get stopped out there. Then we pick up this short signal here, like I said. Let's see if... And that one, unfortunately, does get stopped out as it comes up and hits our stop. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, we then pick up a long signal right here on this one. Again, well, that zoomed in helped a little bit there. So you can see that we get that peak where we spike up above the red line there with the green line. So long signal right there. But it does on the very next candle, it switches back just barely. If you look at the coordinates over here, it'll let you know where the red and green line are in relation to each other. And so you can see here that the green line was above here, and then here on this one you can see that the red line is at 0.00365 while the green one is at 0.0062. So that red line pokes up over the green line just barely right there. And so that long gets stopped out for the short, but then on the very next candle we spike back up above that. The green line spikes back up above the red line. They're giving us another long signal. Let's see. And that one does finally come up and get us to our take profit. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that's going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we take a look at what that was able to achieve, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. So this is our Discord server here. It's free to join. Anyone can join it, like I said, for free and hang out, take advantage of the different channels that we have here and discussions taking place on any of those channels. But we also have a Patreon only channel. This is the Patreon only channel here set up kind of exclusively for our members, and post some really great advanced information in here. And so, for example, our admin Jay is trading the futures market, does a really great job of putting up charts like this where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, kind of giving an idea of what it is that he is looking for as far as what it is, in the screenshot that piqued his interest and why, and giving some really great information, educational information on trading and chart analysis, price action analysis. One of our members here, Sasquatch, really great Forex prop trader, doing basically the same thing for the Forex market, posting these charts on a regular basis where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest that he's looking at, and even sometimes where he's looking to take trades with the entry, the exit, or the take profit and the stop and the whole deal. A lot of really great information that they are putting out for everybody to take advantage of. And so highly recommend that you join us here and take the next step in your trading journey, excel your trading knowledge. All right, back to our indicator here. So let's go ahead and get everything back here in focus. Let's see, it's right about there. All right, let's go ahead and count this out and see what we get out of it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. So we have 19 trades altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 winning trades. So we got kind of close to that 60% criteria that we're looking for, just not quite able to get there. Give a decent number of trades within the 1 year's time, but the biggest issue was that it was just a tad bit too twitchy, tad bit too responsive. And so anytime we get a trend directional move but not a real heavy one or a real strong one, was kind of throwing signals back and forth, one candle after another, just would throw a short and then a long and then a short and so on. until it finally caught the right direction and caused these clusters of losing trades because of that. And those are the ones that just kind of knocked down the win rate enough that it cost it the 60%. And so this one's going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.